Hi everyone, welcome back. I wasn't thinking of putting any vlogs or videos until Eid, but since many had requested for a shopping video, I thought I'll do a mixed video including shopping and many other. Now, a shopping video I had already done last year. I thought it'll be a kind of repetition, so didn't do anything in particular this time. And our Eid dress I'll show in Eid vlog. This is just a quick video as I'm clubbing the videos I had taken as such. I like to take videos even otherwise, not just for the channel. So since many had requested, I'm clubbing it all. These videos were taken on different days, not just one particular day. Shopping itself will need 2-3 days. It's not easy to finish it off on one single day. Now in here I would like to include about MASHROO Thobe, unboxing the Thobes they sent for my boys. I really loved their collection. The quality is amazing. I'm not including any photo or video of my kids wearing it as that would be done on Eid day, so stay tuned for that. Now about MASHROO Thobe, just go to mashroothobes.com and you can select your favorite from there. They have father-son collection and that's amazing. And they ship worldwide, so doesn't matter wherever you are. They had asked me to select and it reached in 3 days. So that was quick. Do check out and select your favorite one. You can even choose a size and it's there on their website. You will get all the details on their website. This is where I buy my abayas in Riyadh, Al Khaliji Abaya. That's in Murabba Lulu. Accessory section, I don't wear too much, but I just love rings and simple bracelet. Traditional Indian wears is always pretty, but for me, simple gowns are my level of comfort. Now, before applying henna, I just make sure my hands are clean, my hair is well tied up, or else it'll be very difficult. I'll keep a tissue box near me and a pin just in case the henna doesn't come out well. I just poke inside and it's done. I started to put on the inside and didn't feel comfortable, so had to wash it and restart. Applying while the camera is on is a bit challenging because while applying I need to be completely comfortable or else the design would not come out well. But I tried. I don't see any tutorials, I put whatever comes into my mind. Now on the inside, I'll put on the night before Eid. The next day, don't straight away wash your hands with water. I usually remove with some scale. I know this sounds weird and dangerous, but earlier I used to scrub it off with the other side of a knife. I don't do that now. Apply some moisturizer. I use my kids' body lotion. Boys are back after a haircut. Now on Eid day, I have few guests coming for lunch and this time I might not be including any cooking vlogs as the dishes I'm planning to prepare has already been shown. So most probably I'll be linking the recipes, but not sure. My mind keeps changing always. So again, stay tuned. I have been doing a lot of cooking videos, someone had commented even. So on Eid day, thought to make it simple. That's simple traditional recipes on Eid. So that's for today's video. Don't forget to check out MASHROO Thobes for your boys and men at home. The link is given in the description box. See you after Eid. Eid Mubarak in advance to all of you. Stay blessed. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.